Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you today?
Mm,
What are you eating?
a candy.
Candy?
Mm, that's a little bit like that. One.
Uh, okay. What did you
This
do
one.
today?
I eat this one, the candy.
Is that
It's
very
Korean.
sweet? Is
No,
that very sweet?
I read English here. You can read.
Oh, there's no English. Is there an English? Oh, I cannot see. Oh, it's not English.
It's English, not the white one. The pink one.
Oh, I cannot see the pink one. Oh no, it's not English. It's not English. It's a different language. It's not
But it's
English.
English.
But
I tell you. It's Marjan.
Marjan. It's written in
And
English alphabet. It's written in English alphabet, but it's not English.
mm, it was free one, and I eat one, and I give me water, and he's just one here. I show you it's white color. It
Okay.
smells very good.
Smells very good. Okay. What did you do yet today?
I I went to school, and I meet my friend Yua, and I come back home, and I do newborn class, and I come back home then, and I chocolate bubble tea my mommy make for me, and I go to
Mm-hmm.
taekwondo, and I go to taekwondo class is over. Then I go to the playground and with my best. My favorite not friend is two friend come, and one baby. Not a baby is it is brother, not a brother. And I
Mm.
play with them, and mommy and daddy said, "Come in," and I come in, and I have some water, and I come back and real quick.
Very detailed. Very detailed. Okay. So, are you ready now? We are going to continue our exercises using can and can't. Okay. Are you ready? Oh, you're freezing again.
Yeah.
Oh, can you see me? You're freezing.
Hmm?
You're freezing. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Okay.
you.
Okay. So, remember, if it is positive, meaning to say if there's a check mark, you can say, yes, you can, right? If there's an X mark, that's a no. No, you can't. Okay?
Okay.
Example, sentence number one. What is sentence number one? Can I?
Can I?
What is sentence number one? Our example. Now, what is our example question?
You are freezing too.
Okay, but can you hear me?
Yeah, but you're
Okay.
was moving, but you stop. And that move and done.
It's okay as long as you can hear me. Okay, can you read sentence number one?
This one?
Yes, can I?
Can I borrow your pot? Yes, you can.
Okay, because there's a check mark. So meaning to say can it's positive. Okay, next. Second one.
Can I call mom? Yes, you can.
Okay, very good. Oh, the next one. Oh, there's an X mark.
Can I go home? No, you can't.
Okay, no, you can't. Oh, next.
Can I play with friends? Yes, you can.
Okay. Oh, chips. There's an X mark.
Can I eat chips? No, you can't. But I ate
Oh,
chips yesterday.
as long as it's not often. Okay, as long as not too much. Okay, next.
Can I drink soda? No, you can't. I don't drink soda.
Okay, good. Okay,
Can
next.
I play computer games? No, you can't. Can I
Okay,
open the windows? Yes, you can. Can I go
okay,
to the park? Yes, you can.
okay. Very good. Very, very good. Let's go to page 22 or review. Complete the sentences. Okay, so dad is 172 centimeters while grandma is 152 centimeters. So meaning to
The
say,
grandma is not older than daddy.
oh, we are talking about height. Okay, how tall, how
How
short. So
about
this is
you?
true. Dad is taller than grandma, correct?
Yeah.
Correct. Okay, what about grandma?
Grandma is smaller than that.
What is the opposite of tall?
Tall.
Yeah, what is
Grandma
the
is
opposite?
what? What is opposite?
Like, um, if it's a yes, the opposite is no. If it is black and white, if it is thin, fat. Okay?
Hmm.
So, if you're tall, what is the opposite of tall?
Not tall.
Okay, it starts with letter S.
Shorter.
Okay, so we are going to use shorter than. Okay, can you say it? Grandma is shorter than.
Dad.
Okay, okay, very good. Oh, next one. Oh, grandpa is, your mom is 32 years old, while grandpa is 62. So we are talking about age.
Hmm. Mommy's mommy's not old than grandpa.
Mom is, oh, we have, okay, old. Okay, old. What is the opposite of old?
Hmm. Not old.
What is the opposite of old?
I don't know that.
Okay, young. Okay, so mom is
Younger
younger than.
grandpa. Grandpa.
Okay, okay, younger than, oh, than, okay, than grandpa. Okay, what about grandpa?
Grandpa is older than mom.
Okay, so grandpa is older than mom. Okay, okay, let's go to the next one. How? Speed. Oh my, the sports car, a Ferrari is 340 kilometers per hour,
Hmm.
while a Beetle car is only running 120 kilometers per hour. So we are talking about speed.
Variable code. What is variable code? This one or this one?
This one, okay, the Ferrari is a brand, the name of the car. Okay? So we have
Ferrari
Hyundai.
is more faster than vehicle car.
Okay, a Ferrari is
Mhm.
faster than.
The big car is slower than fastest.
Okay, slower.
Slower.
Okay, so it is slower. Okay, wait a minute. Understand? Understood?
Mhm.
Oh, wait a minute. Uh, wait a minute. I cannot. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, we have social media. Aha. So Hello Talk has uh 10,000 K likes. Okay, while Kakao Talk has also 10,000 uh 10,000 likes.
Nika,
So are there
you
are
are
they
freezing.
are they are they equal?
You are freezing.
Uh, but can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay as long as you can hear me. Okay, as long as you can hear me.
Hmm.
Okay, so what do you think is the answer?
Call TikTok is uh, popular than Hello TikTok.
So it's Hello Talk, not TikTok. So do you
Hmm.
see? Oh, they have the same 10K likes.
Hmm. Then you
Oh,
stay with Hello TikTok.
okay, so Kakao Talk is us. Okay,
Ah.
it's as popular it's as popular it's as popular as Hello Talk. Okay,
Hello.
Hello Talk is the same. Okay, they are the same.
They are the
And
same.
yes, understood?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Let's go to the next one. What do you think is the next one? Let us see. Circle the correct past simple negative form of our verbs to be. So, this is the present, was is the past simple. Are, were. Okay. So, what is the negative? Okay. Wasn't and weren't. Okay. So, choose from wasn't or weren't. Okay. So number one, I'm going to answer number one. Helen and Mark. So there's two of them. So plural, two or more. So we're going to use weren't happy.
What? Happy.
Oh, okay. So Helen and Mark weren't happy.
We are in the kitchen.
Oh, what is this word? What is that word? Kitchen. Kitchen. Oh,
Kitchen.
okay. Number three.
we it
It
was cold yesterday.
what is the negative of was? What's the negative of was?
Because of this alone,
It wasn't
it wasn't cold.
okay. Okay, it wasn't cold yesterday. Okay,
And
number four.
wasn't cold yesterday. Who is this? Our friend's name?
Alex. Alex.
Alec was because she's alone.
Okay, so very good. So Alex
Wasn't at the
what is this?
a party.
No,
Chimoya
cinema. Cinema.
cinema.
It's like a theater.
Party.
Okay, it's a theater where you watch a movie. Okay,
Oh.
okay.
No
Number
one
five.
find the name again.
Okay, only one. Fred.
Fred wasn't angry.
Okay, so Fred wasn't angry. Okay, this time complete the dialogue with the correct form of is, are. Oh,
Uh,
okay. So, example. Hello. What? Okay, this one means is. Okay, hello. What's your name? Okay, what do you think is the missing here? Is, or are?
hmm, Tom, hello, what is your name? One. Hi, I'm.
Okay,
Hmm,
you write the answer. I am.
I am.
Oh, please choose. Is, or are.
Am. I am.
Oh, very good. So you write am. Hi, I am.
Hi, I am. Hi, I am. Wow. What are you? Either is Korea.
Oh, I don't think you is Korean. Or try again. Try again.
Or Korea.
Are Korean. Very good. I don't think you are Korean. Very good. Okay,
Tom.
next.
No. Tom. No. I am. I am. No, I am. I are. I think it's
Oh no. So meaning to say, what is the negative of
I
what is the negative? I'm not, isn't, aren't. So
hmm,
what is the negative? Because
negative
no, yeah, the negative of am. Negative of am.
am.
No,
I no I am
you choose from here. What's the negative? Is isn't, is am not, are is aren't.
I is all.
No, I am.
No I am.
What is the negative of am?
I'm not.
Okay, no, I am not.
No I'm not. I'm car.
Okay, I am American.
I'm
Oh, Rob.
Rob. I I are you here with your family? Tom, yes, my
Cousins.
cousin are Korean. Mom,
Okay, good.
is
Very
there
good.
from Seoul?
No, no, no. They, meaning to say plural. So it's not is. You're not going to use is. So what are you going to use? Is or are?
Are
Yes, very good.
are there from Seoul? Tom, not there
Oh,
for there.
what is the negative of are? What is the negative of are?
Are
Aren't. No, they aren't.
no, there aren't. There are from business.
Oh, no, it's not business. Oh, look at. It's not business. What is the sound of B and U?
Boo
Boo. Boo. Okay, then.
Busan.
Okay,
Bus
Busan. Okay, they're from.
Busan.
Okay, very good. Oh, aren't. This is aren't. Oh, next one.
We
We. Okay, plural.
we are
Mm.
um
We are here.
we are here in Seoul on holiday.
Very good. Any questions?
I had a question. You had some banana.
Oh, I don't have some bananas. I ate, what did I eat? Oh, tangerines. This
And
morning I had 3 tangerines.
and you have, can you show me you have?
Oh, of course, my water bottle, my coffee mug. I'm not sure if okay, I am going to show you my mug where I always drink my coffee. Ta-da!
Oh, what inside?
Coffee. Coffee
Coffee.
inside.
What coffee inside? Ice Americano or other coffee?
No.
Oh, what is that coffee?
Okay. Black coffee with cream and sugar. Okay,
Oh,
with cream and sugar. So instant coffee. So I
and
can
you
always
you have
and
something?
I eat some. Okay, let me check if I can find turon and lumpia. Okay.
You show me lumpia, and
Yeah.
you said we gonna look at the food name
It's banana. Okay, banana.
for yesterday. The food name.
Okay, I ate this one. Uh, uh, uh. Wait a minute. Turon. Okay, turon.
Oh,
Turon
you
is this
show
one.
me something like that. And what
But
the
this
food?
one, inside is banana. Okay,
Oh, it's not.
then you put some sugar, then fry it. Okay, you put the
And
sugar and you fry it.
you're gonna say we're gonna run over to another food yesterday.
What fruit did I say? What fruit is that?
Outside this yellow cool and inside is some purple one.
Ah, is that ube? Did was that ube or no?
It's yellow and purple inside so
Oh, what? I forgot. I totally forgot what is it. It's purple. It's ube. Ube.
mm,
Ube turon. Did I say it? Purple, like this one. Wait a minute. Uh, is this what I talked about? Ube, turon. There's purple yam inside.
it's not the wall, it's a fruit.
But it's fruit inside. There's fruit inside.
Another fruit I show you is yellow outside and you open it, it's purple in it.
It's purple in it. Sweet potato. But we don't have much time. Okay. We talk about and we find pictures tomorrow. Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Bye.